You know, you see people do professional videos and everything just slots into place and it's really good and it just goes in, they're all doing it one-handed. It's a load of rubbish. It's all bollocks. It's all edited. Everything's edited. Guarantee me do a job. Fucking sod all goes right with it. But we'll get this located in, get it fitted in, and we'll make it look like a professional job. Right, how's everyone doing? Not done any videos for quite a while. He's been stupidly crazy at work at the minute. Just had no time off for doing any jobs. Van's pretty much been sat here doing nothing. Luckily it's solar panels, kept the batteries topped up, which is a bit of a bonus, that works. But what I have done now, because I'm a bit of a tight ass, and I don't want to upgrade the whole headlight system on the van. I've just been swapping the bulbs out, trying different bulbs, and the last video I did on the LED bulb changes, the daytime driving bulbs, they are bright, very bright, well made up with them. But the headlight bulbs, the H4s on it, they came like a blue style, and they're a lot brighter than the originals, but VW just, the T5 headlights are just rubbish, absolute rubbish. So what I've done is, like I said, because I'm tight and I won't buy new replacement headlamps, the whole unit, which I probably should do, or I might end up doing, but I'm just messing about with other stuff at the minute. So what I've done is I've bought these LED bulbs. Now these are on Amazon, and I've looked at some of the normal ones. These are like 100 odd quid. You think to yourself, Jesus Christ, what price is that? What you can pay for LED headlamp bulbs, you could actually buy just the full unit, you know, with the bulbs with it. So I bought these, I think they were about 30 quid. Yeah, 29.99. They're a Road Sun brand, so they're obviously brand new on Amazon. There's no reviews in it and that, so I thought, why they're cheap and there's no reviews, might as well try them out first before everyone jumps on them and then the prices start going through them. But I'll tell you what, they're not bad. Look at that, that's like aluminium bodywork on it there. You got two LEDs on one side and two LEDs on the other. This is the cooling system at the bottom there. You got the fans and that at the bottom. You've got the ballast which runs it, I think that's what they call it, a ballast. And then obviously this plugs into your main light plug. So they've got the same fitting, which goes straight in. So that'll go straight into the housing, and no doubt you'll probably end up hiding this in the back between the rubber grommet and stuff. Two of these in a pack, well packaged, spot on like. And I'm going to see basically these work better than the upgraded bulb to put in, because like I said, the rubbish. They just don't seem bright enough for some reason. Maybe just my eyes, like, but I don't think, yeah. So what I'll do with these now, I'll do a quick video on showing you how I've installed them. I'm not saying how you should install them, just how I install them. And I'll do a picture before and after of the headlights being on at night, and we'll just see if they're any better. And fingers crossed, it should be. So we'll get on with that install, and I shall see you in a minute. Right, so as you said, these are HP4s. HP4, think of brown sauce there. H4 bulbs. Right, so for these are located on this side here. It's not the first rubber one, it's the second one. Let's pull that one out. Not much room there back here. And then inside there you can see all gubbins for your bulb. So what you want to do is, there's a little metal tab inside. And what you do, you pull them down. I don't know if you saw that video then. Pull that down, it releases your bulb. And then you can pull your wire out. So that's the plug we're going to connect to, which comes off the back of the bulb. And then you get the big fat fingers in there. You can get the bulb out. Don't touch the bulbs if you want to use them again. So these are the ones I replaced. These are an H4 12 volt 6055 watt. They're good, they're better than the standard ones, but they're just not bright enough at all. As you can see, these have got the fins in, like the LED ones here. So that'll go in exactly how that's positioned. So I'll put these bulbs to one side, because you never know, because these things might not even work yet. So it'll be a good test really with the drivers, and I'm hoping as well there's no faults on them. You know, flag up on the CAN bus, he says. So then what we'll do, we'll locate this back in here, and then we'll give them a whirl. Sometimes you can actually see in the, you know where you're going. See, they've got cable trapped, so you don't want that anywhere. And then I think spin that to the slots in, and I've got it upside down, which I have. You know, when you see people do professional videos and everything just slots into place and it's really good and it just goes in, they're all doing it one-handed. It's a load of rubbish. It's all bollocks. It's all edited. Everything's edited. Guarantee me do a job. Fucking sod all goes right with it. But we'll get this located in, get it fitted in, and we'll make it look like a professional job. Yeah, one thing I've noticed about these, trying to fit these in, because you've got the cable on the back there, the way it comes out in the middle there, you've got to get this ballast unit through your metal clip, what clips your bulb into place. You see it down there. Otherwise it just gets caught and it's just a ball out for doing. So that's plugged in now. The little metal clips are a pain in the ass again, unless for some reason. It's all locked in place, secure. Wires are in, and I've tucked the ballast and everything inside there, so I'm just going to put the pocket back on top. Seal it all up. They're not a very good good way to show you how to, well, I'm not showing you how to do it, but how to do, you know, the lights and that, because they're quite tight and the area is quite hard to see. That's back on now anyway. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to stick these on, and we'll see the difference between that one and that one, and also see if they work. Right, so here we have standard headlight bulb, daytime, but it's not a very bright pattern on that. And then when you look at the LED bulb, it does seem brighter, doesn't it? A lot brighter. See the pattern on the wall it's making there, and that's daylight. So what I'll do is I'll do a nighttime one. I'll see what they're like, but damn, they do look bright. But it looks like there's only one LED on, so I'm wondering whether that's full beam. So I'll try full beam on that and see what it looks like. See that back one kicks in. That's full beam on there now. On that one, just check that. Got it bright. Yeah, the back LED light comes on, so the full beam's actually the back one on that, and then the front one is the normal driving lights. So it'll be interesting to see how these work out at night. See, they're a lot brighter. They look it, but you can never tell, can you? Right, so that's second one installed now. As you can see, they look like a massive difference then. That's in daylight. They look very bright. So I think these could be the upgrade. Only time will tell now. What I'll do a picture of these tonight, and we'll get them checked. See if I'll do a picture side by side of the original headlights and these LED upgrades. Right, so that's them fitted. I was quite chuffed with them actually, to be honest with you. They went in just like a normal bulb would. I didn't go into too much detail about fitting them because I've done videos on how to fit bulbs, and it's pretty much the same. The only different thing about them to what a bulb is, on the LED bulb, because the fan and everything's at the back there, the cooling system, where the cable comes out at the bottom, you've got to feed that through the two metal prongs that come up and lock the bulb into place. It's a bit of a faff getting those in, but it's 2-second job getting that done. And it'd be interesting to see that the LED bulbs perform as opposed to these, because in daylight they look a hell of a lot brighter, Yeah, so sorry it's been a while since any videos have come up, and like I said, I've got a few bits and bats which are in the running to be done on the van and that, and I've got loads of modifications what I want to do. It's just getting the time to do it. But I did a review a while back on me, well, not a review, but just letting people know about the different types of fridges, what was in camper vans, and the one I've got in mine. I've not had a chance to put that video up yet, so I will get that up in the next week. It's just showing you basically the type of fridge I've got. Anyway, thanks for watching anyway. Subscribe to the channel if you like this type of content. It's not a how-to guide, it's just basically how I do it. Just do it a different way. One thing I've noticed with these when you're trying to fill, they're not as easy because the backs are quite longer.